Bũrũri ya arũme mũbira wa magũrũ Harambee Stars ĩraumire draw ya bao 2-2 hwaĩ magĩthaka na timu ya bũrũri wa Russia ngucanio ya kĩũrata kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Titanic Sports Complex bũrũri-inĩ wa Turkey. Ona kuona ngucanio ĩno ndĩratambũrwo nĩ FIFA kumana na gũkorwo Russia nĩ maikĩtio nja, kocha wa Stars Edin Firat nĩakenereire maumĩrĩra maya ĩndĩ akauga nĩ marabatie gũcinda mbĩtĩka ĩyo. Bao cia Harambee Stars irabungirwo nĩ athaki Anthony Akumu na Musound Juma ndagĩka-inĩ cia 16 o hamwe na 63 nacio cia Russia irafungwo ndagĩka-inĩ ya 4 na ya 87.
Складывается, мы уже видели, если такое произойдет в штрафной площади, будут подозрения на 11-метровые. Этого нам не надо допускать. Какая срезка неприятная от головы Георгия Джики. И мяч в сетке ворот. Ну, тут уж ничего. Зяев. Снова Сельянов, он уже правый. Хотя слева начал движение, удар! И гол! И gol, Alexander!
We start nervous. We got a very simple mistake goal. The sad part is that our goalkeeper Brian got injured. This is the most biggest problem we had today. So rest of the game, I think we controlled. We had a lot of goal chances. We could also easy win. So, but it's football. In last minutes, Russia scored. Therefore, I'm happy with the way we played. But result, we could also win, I think. Of course, it's very important for us. Like I said, these games, Kenya never played before. These kind of teams. First, they cannot organize. Second, they would be also afraid. But we are not, and I know that many people expected in these games that we get 5, 6, whatever. And I'm happy that we disappoint these people and show that we are on a good way also to compete with other big teams. So, and I hope that we can take all this on our way to the World Cup qualifiers and also